Also breaking overnight, 6 people are recovering after a carbon monoxide scare at their Orlando apartment complex. One of those people even passed out because of this potentially deadly gas. It happened in the last couple of hours at the Walden Palms condos. This is off of Island Road, not far from I-4. News 6 reporter Johnny Fernandez is there live. And Johnny, what are firefighters saying to you about all of this?
Well, David, fire crews, they do tell me that the source in this whole thing is a generator that was found inside one of the apartments that was being used for maintenance. Now, for Orlando Fire Rescue, they got a call earlier this morning from Dr. Phillips Hospital about a family of 4 that was feeling ill. Now, they were treated for carbon monoxide poisoning, and when crews got here to the apartment complex, they discovered the generator and also say 2 other people were transported with similar symptoms. At this point, police say everyone is expected to be okay. We're back out live now. We do know more than a dozen people were evacuated from their homes. Fire crews, they do tell me that it may be about 24 hours before some of them are able to go back. Now, a fire truck just pulled into the apartment complex. I'm going to be asking them why they're here, and of course, once they get any new updates, I'll pass that information along to you guys on air, and of course, online on clickorlando.com, powered by News 6. David, Bridget.
Frightening situation. Johnny, thank you.